Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the vlog. Today we have Gavin with us. I'm so excited for today's video. I am a cooking mom. I cook 4 to 5 times a week. My kids have their favorites that they love, and my 17-year-old has told me that he wants to cook one of his favorite meals that I normally cook, which is a chicken spaghetti, but he said he wants to put a twist on it. His twist is not that much of a twist. He just wants to swap out the cheese that I normally use, which is totally fine. That's the fun about cooking. You can make it your own and do it however you want. I think it's really important for parents to teach their kids how to cook, and so that they will be able to take care of themselves as they get older, and I'm so excited. And Gavin is going to do dinner for the family tonight, and he's already getting his pot of water ready, and you're not going to see much of me. This is going to be about him, and he really doesn't like his face being on the internet too much, so you may just see little bits of like his hands doing the cooking and all that kind of stuff. Anyways, I'm going to stop rambling, and we're going to get started with dinner tonight. It is done. He did a great job. He needed very little help. Yeah. He's scared to put things in the oven and take it out of the oven. That's something that he will learn. Anyways, so Gavin, thanks for making dinner tonight. And if you guys want to see more of Gavin on Krystal with a K, let me know. And he may make another appearance cooking something, because he actually really likes to cook. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.